2025 is a year under the strong influence of Mars, making it a 9-number year, one of transformation, power, and action. For Libra, Mars' influence will ignite personal growth and career shifts, while Rahu and Ketu's placement will bring a karmic undertone to relationships. The movement of Saturn through your fifth house and the presence of Jupiter in your ninth house will also have significant effects. Let's explore how these planetary positions will impact your life throughout the year. I am astrologer Ain Baksh and you're watching Sitarot Ka Safar. Now let's dive into the detailed 2025 predictions for Libra. 2025 is a year of cautious financial growth. Jupiter's favorable position in your ninth house will support investments related to foreign ventures or long-term financial planning. However, Saturn in your fifth house may create some hesitation or delay in short-term gains, particularly from speculative ventures like the stock market. Best months to invest are April to June, when Jupiter's alignment with your ninth house brings a sense of fortune and expansion. Avoid risky investments in January and February, as the position of Mars and Ketu might lead to impulsive financial decisions that could backfire. With Saturn transiting your fifth house and Rahu in the 12th house, you will experience a year of hard work and challenges at your workplace. Saturn encourages patience and consistent efforts, but with Rahu's influence, be prepared for unexpected changes and disruptions. You may need to keep a low profile in the first quarter of the year to avoid unnecessary conflicts. For business owners, the most favorable period for new ventures is from May to July. However, you should avoid industries that are currently unstable or not aligned with global market trends like traditional retail businesses. Focus on tech, e-commerce, or service industries where innovation is key. For job holders, promotions are more likely in the second half of the year, especially around mid-August to October. Your hard work will be recognized, but you may have to wait for the right time. Relationships with colleagues and higher-ups will be stable, but make sure to manage conflicts carefully, especially in the first few months. For Libra in 2025, the love life will be stable yet full of challenges. The influence of Rahu in your 12th house can lead to hidden emotions or misunderstandings. Singles may meet someone through work or social gatherings, but it is important to not rush into a relationship without understanding the other person fully. For married couples, Venus's placement in the 7th house will provide a boost to the emotional connection with your partner. But be cautious of miscommunication, especially during Rahu's transit in the 12th house. Trust and transparency will be key to maintaining harmony. Saturn's influence on the 5th house means that marital life could face some ups and downs. Expect periods of introspection in your relationship where you may question the long-term compatibility with your partner. With Mars' aggressive nature affecting your house of partnerships, try to avoid arguments, especially in March and April. After mid-year, things will settle and the emotional bond will strengthen. Family life in 2025 will have its share of challenges due to Saturn's influence on the 5th house and Rahu in your 12th house. There might be some misunderstandings with siblings or children, but these issues will be temporary. Pay attention to family matters in the first half of the year, as conflicts could escalate if not handled properly. Friendships will remain strong, especially with those who share your intellectual interest. Make sure to spend time with them to rejuvenate your spirits. Libra will see travel opportunities in 2025, but they will be more beneficial for business or education rather than leisure. Your ninth house, governed by Jupiter, will support travel for higher learning or work-related opportunities. Avoid unnecessary vacations in the first quarter of the year, as the planetary influence may lead to wasted time and expenses. Best travel months for personal growth are from June to October, when you can gain knowledge and expand your horizons. Business travel will bring success, especially if you are involved in international trade or study. Students under Libra in 2025 should focus on their studies, as Saturn's position in the 5th house encourages discipline and hard work. However, Rahu's influence might distract them from their studies, particularly in the early months. Make sure to stay grounded and avoid procrastination. For those in higher education, the best time to apply for new courses or exams is after June, when the planetary influences become more favorable. Recommended fields for students, given the current global economic landscape and planetary positioning, fields like information technology, finance, and healthcare will be highly profitable. Students interested in these fields will see more opportunities and growth in the coming years. Health for Libra in 2025 will require a focus on mental well-being, especially with Rahu's position in the 12th house. You might experience moments of stress or anxiety, particularly related to work and personal relationships. The key is to maintain a healthy routine and manage stress. Important health areas to focus on for you are your mental health. Yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises will be essential to maintain emotional balance. For your physical health, the digestive system may face some issues, so pay attention to your diet. Avoid heavy or spicy food, especially in the first quarter of the year. Regular exercise and a balanced diet will keep your energy levels high. To sum up, 2025 will be a year of growth and challenges for Libra. Mars will push you to take action, but patience will be required with Saturn's influence. Your financial and career paths will see steady growth, but the key is to make wise decisions, especially in the first half of the year. Love and marriage will go through deep transformations, requiring emotional maturity. Students should focus on their studies and avoid distractions to secure a prosperous future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar and stay tuned for more predictions. If you're a Libra, 2025 is your year to shine with patience and hard work. I am Aswar Jain Baksh, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay connected with the stars.